Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and it's another day of my Advent. So we've got Halloween stitch marker, scary movie stitch marker, and hearts on fiber. So let's go ahead and check them out. I'm kind of excited. This is so much fun. I'm like this at Christmas. It's like the preview before Christmas. So for the Halloween stitch marker, we have a little Grim Reaper, and he is so adorable. That's adorable. And next, for the scary movie stitch marker, I've been loving these scary movie ones, I must say. And this one is for the scary movie one. And no, I didn't mix them up. That's the scary movie one. It's Sally. Oh, I love that. That's cute. And let's go ahead and see what's in here from Hearts on Fiber. Oh, it is fiber. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. And you know me, I have all these minis sitting here on my desk. I do. Look at how pretty these are coming along. I'm loving it. I'm loving every minute of it. Got some big minis and some little minis. Oh, I can't wait to put these together into something. I'm excited. But I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. Even if you're not getting anything, I love watching people's advents. It's just fun for me. I'm childish. But you guys know that about me. You watch my videos. But I hope you guys are having a great day today. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.